Drive those arms, head up. Keep going, Carolyn, get your head up. Time, up to the next cone. Go, drive those arms, drive. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Up to the next cone. Go. Draw those arms. Keep going.
I feel like Liz is gonna fall over her feet.
Draw those arms. Drive. 15 seconds to go. 5 seconds. Back to the second cone. Go. Keep going. Head up. Drive your arms. Back to the next cone. Go. Time.